Joins. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a very important topic in SQL, joins. To begin with, as you all know that in any RDBMS, the tables are created on the basis of ER diagram, and because of this process, multiple tables are created. You must have seen this topic earlier also, but here in joins, again we will recall this. For example, if you take the case of department and employees, a department has many employees. So how many tables will be created? Okay, since it is one to many, so two tables will be created. Number one table is department table having the names of department, and number two table will be employee table having employee list. And because the relationship was one to many from employee side, so we will have foreign key of department in employees. As you can see here, DPT is the foreign key. So the final two tables are like this: department table having D code as primary key, employee table as employee code as primary key, and in order to link them or to relate them, we have taken deliberately, I have not taken the spelling as decode. I have taken the spelling as DPT. Although you can take decode, but I have taken it as DPT. So this DPT is the foreign key of decode. So here only those code can come which are present in this particular column. Okay. So as you can see, because of this CR diagram, these are two tables, but these two tables can create a little bit of problem. What problem? Suppose if I ask you, tell me the name of department of Kumar. So you cannot tell the name. Okay, because here the name of the department is not there. Only code is there. To see the name, you have to see that Kumar department is 40, and then you go in department table and see 40 is packing. So the question comes again, why not to create a single table like this? So as you very well know, single table has lot of problems or anomalies. For example, you can see if, as you can see, Rohit was of 10, Tarun was of 10. So whenever we have 10 and 10, we have to write sales Delhi, which is redundancy. So we cannot create this single table. And because of these multiple table, some information is missing. Missing means you cannot tell complete information from one table. So what you want? You want that table should be created like this only, but on the screen, the information should be displayed like this. Okay, very clear? The information should be displayed like this, as if it is a single table. So in that case, if the information is displayed only on the screen and you can see production Delhi, 30 production Delhi, 30 production Delhi, then there is no issue because it will be only on screen or on the front end. In the actual table, still it will be like this, that 30, 30, 30 one time, and 30 production is here only once. Okay, so what, please make sure that you have created these two tables. Earlier also you might have created this, but still if you have not, please make them. Finally, these two tables. Now let us start from very basic question. The question is display list of all employees. Now it is very easy question. What I want to ask, say, is display list of employees. What I will type, select star from EMP. It has shown me. Now next question comes, display list of employees along with their department details. Now here is the problem. The problem is that what I want, that in front of 40, packing should be written. In front of 10, sales should be written. In front of 30, production should be written. Again, in front of 10, sales should be written. So now it cannot come like this because the tables are divided. So here there is a need of a concept called as joins. So what you want? You want to join the data of these two tables and display it here like they are in a single table. But before join, we need to understand another important concept of RDBMS, that is Cartesian. Because a join is a Cartesian followed by a condition. So first of all, we need to understand Cartesian, then only we can understand join. Now, in case of join or in Cartesian or in general, there are two types of SQL syntax in Oracle. One is an SQL ANSI compliant syntax, and another is Oracle own internal syntax. Both are SQL, both run on Oracle. The difference is that ANSI syntax will run same on Oracle SQL as well as MySQL as well as other type of SQL. Whereas Oracle proprietary syntax will work only in Oracle SQL. The only difference is this. We will see just now. So what is a Cartesian? A Cartesian is also known as cross product or cross join. Please understand here join word is little bit confusing. It is still not a join, but the word join comes. Okay. So what is a Cartesian? Let us see what is a Cartesian. A Cartesian is a cross product of two tables. Let us see an example. These are two tables. Select star from 1. This is one table. Select star from 2. This is another table. Okay. Okay, I will suggest that kindly make these two tables also in your laptop. Select star from 1, select star from 2. Now what I want to have Cartesian of these two tables. So again, there are two syntax. Number one is ANSI syntax. Let us see. Select star from 1, cross join 2. Okay, cross join 2. Now please understand that this is only Cartesian. So what will happen, as we have seen in that Cartesian is a cross product. Cross product means every tuple of this relation will have a pair with every tuple of this. It means ABC Dehradun will pair with ABC Cricket, ABC Song, GHI Painting, MNO Painting, DF Tracking, MNO Skating. Then DEF Meerut will have pairing with ABC Cricket, ABC Songs, GHI, MNO, DEF, MNO, and so on. So what will be the output of this query? The output will be, since these are 4 and these are 6, the output will be 24. Okay, so 24 records have been displayed. Now in order to correct this output, as you can see, you very well know, let's change the page size. Set page size 100. Again run this query. Now you can see 24 records have come. So what you can see, ABC Dehradun has paired with all these. Then DEF Meerut has pair with all these. Then MNO has pairing with all these. Then GHI has pairing with all these. So this is called as cross product or cross join or Cartesian. All three are same. What? Cross product, cross join or Cartesian. The most appropriate word is Cartesian or Cartesian product. Okay. So all these three are same. However, you can see the Cartesian is itself of no use. It has number of invalid records. Why invalid? Because as you can see, if you talk about ABC student who lives in Dehradun, so cricket and songs are the hobbies of ABC, but painting is not the hobby of ABC. It is the hobby of GHI. So you can see if ABC is pairing with MNO, this record is useless. If ABC is pairing with GHI, this record is useless. Okay, so we will come back to this. Let us first of all finish Cartesian. So right now, just now what we have done this, select star from 1, cross join 2. What was this? This was Cartesian. How many record will come? 24. Okay, now second syntax of Cartesian, this was ANSI syntax. Now let us see Oracle syntax. It is select star from 1 comma 2. Okay, select star from 1 comma 2. Again, since it is the Cartesian, how many records will come? Right, 24 will come. So you can see whether you type this select star from 1 comma 2, 24 are coming, or you type select star from 1 cross join 2, 24 records are coming. Okay, so this is also Cartesian and this is also Cartesian. Both are same. I hope you have understood what is a Cartesian. So there are two syntax of Cartesian, ANSI syntax and proprietary syntax. So Cartesian is very important before understanding or moving to join. Now let us see our old table and come back to our same example. Select star from EMP, select star from department. So what we were trying to do, we were trying to display department name in front of this. Okay, so again, it can be done with the help of join. But as I have told you, before join, you need to have Cartesian. So we will apply Cartesian on these two tables also. Now, again, there are two syntax. Select star from department, comma EMP. So as you have seen just now, select star from 1 comma 2, or we are writing select star from department comma EMP. Both are same. This is again, this is simply only what? This is only Cartesian. So how many record will be displayed? You might have guessed correct, 66 record will be displayed. Okay, let us correct this output also. Set line size 1000 and let us try it again. So you can see 66 records have come. Okay, so what has happened again? The same thing has happened, that every tuple of this table has a pairing with every tuple of this, or you can say vice versa also. Every tuple of this table has a pairing with every tuple of this table. Okay, so this is what is Cartesian. Now our main question answer is hidden in this Cartesian only. But before that, please make sure that you've understood Cartesian, then only you can move to joins. I hope you have very well understood what is a Cartesian, then only we can understand join. So in the second part of this tutorial, we will start with joins. Okay, thank you very much.